welcome back to my channel, and thank you all for joining me once again for another CVS deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle and we still have some deals going on. Just make sure you're scanning the items with your phone to see what coupons or CRTs you have to help with the deals. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll get to it. My first deal is on L'Oreal Facial Care. It's on the deal of spend 45 get 20 back, but I'm not sharing the deal. We have a $5 CRT, so you can pick up the advanced cleanser priced at $9.79. Use the $5 CRT and you pay $4.79. This deal is on TheraBreath toothpaste. It's on sale for $6.99, and when you buy one, you get 3 back. Pick up one, use the $2 coupon you can find on the mouthwash, and you pay $4.99, get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back, making it free and a $1 money maker. The Listerine Pocket Mist is priced at $8.59 and is part of buy one get 4 back. Pick up one, pay $8.59 and get 4 back, making it $4.59. My next deal is buy 2 get 4 back on Dove hand wash. Pick up 2 priced at $6.19 each, and the 2 will total $12.38. Pay the $12.38 and you get 4 back, making it $8.38 or $4.19 each. The Soft Soap Foaming Hand Soap is on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $5.98. Pay the $5.98 and you get 2 back, making it $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have is on Raw Sugar Hand Soap. It's on sale for buy one get one free, no extra care box back, and it's priced at $5.29. Pick up 2, pay $5.29, and that will make it just $2.65. Using the 5 off 20 CRT, let's combine the last 3 deals, which are the Dove deal, Soft Soap deal, and the Raw Sugar deal. These 6 items will total $23.65. Use the 5 off 20 CRT and you pay $18.65, get $4 back for the Dove, $2 back for the Soft Soap. That will end up making them $12.65 or $2.10 each. The next hand soap deal I have is on Dye Hand Soap. It's on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and it's part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 price at $3.59, and with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $2.15. These 2 will total $5.74. Pay the $5.74 and you get 3 back, making them $2.74 or $1.37 each. If you don't like the Raw Sugar Hand Soap, you can switch it with the Dye Hand Soap, and these 6 items will total $24.15. Use the 5 off 20 cleansing CRT and you pay $19.15. Then you get back $4 for the Dove deal, $2 back for the Soft Soap, and $3 back for the Dye Hand Soap. That will end up making them $10.15 or $1.69 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 7 back on Aveeno Bath and Shower, and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Pick up 1 33-ounce Aveeno body wash priced at $16.79 and 1 Aveeno soothing bath treatment priced at $11.29. With the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the new price will be $6.77. These 2 will total $23.56. Use a $3 Aveeno Digital coupon and a 5 off 20 CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $8 and you pay $15.56, and you get 7 back, making them $8.56 or $4.28 each. The Caress body wash and the 6-pack bar soap are on sale for $7.99, and when you buy 1, you get 2 back. Pick up 1, pay $7.99 and you get 2 back, making it $5.99. My next deal is buy 2 get 4 back on Axe body wash or shower gel. Pick up 2 body wash priced at $5.99 each, and the 2 will total $11.98. Use a 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.98, get 4 back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. You can combine the Axe deal with the Caress deal and your total will be $19.97. Use the 5 off 2 Axe digital coupon and the 5 off 20 CRT. You can use this CRT because you're within the 98% rule. One on the CRT will take off $10 and you pay $9.97, get 4 back for the Axe deal and $2 back for the Caress deal. That will end up making them $3.97 or $1.32 each. The 1 count Nivea lip care is on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 1, you get $1 back. Pick up one, pay $2.99 and you get $1 back, making it $1.99. 35-ounce Olay body wash is on sale for $10.99 and it's not giving back any extra care box. Pick up two for a total of $21.98. Use a 7 off 2 digital coupon and also the 5 off 20 CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $12 and you pay $9.98 and that will make it just $4.99. Select Olay body wash are on the deal of buy 2 get 4 back and it's a limit of 1, but I have 3 options. You can choose whichever one you like best. The first option I have is to pick up two 22-ounce Olay body wash on sale for $7.99 each. The two will total $15.98. Use the 5 off 2 Olay digital coupon and you pay $10.98, get 4 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The second option I have is to pick up two 20-ounce Olay Super Serum body wash on sale for $13.99 each. The two will total $27.98. Use a 7 off 2 digital coupon and a 5 off 20 CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $12 and you pay $15.98, get 4 back, making them $11.98 or $5.99 each. The third option is to pick up two Olay Premium Body Wash on sale for $10.99 each. The two will total $21.98. Use a 7 off 2 Olay digital coupon and a 5 off 20 cleansing CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $12 and you pay $9.98, get 4 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. Going to share 2 more deals using the 5 off 20 cleansing CRT. The first deal is to pick up two 22-ounce Olay body wash on sale for $7.99 each and 2 Axe body wash on sale for $5.99 each. These 4 items will total $27.96. Use a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Axe and a 5 off 2 Olay digital coupon and also the 5 off 20 cleansing CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $15 and you pay $12.98, get $4 back for the Axe deal and another $4 back for the Olay deal, and that will end up making them $4.96 or $1.24 each. Second option is to combine the Caress deal with the Olay deal. Pick up 2 Olay body wash and 1 Caress 6-pack bar soap. The 3 items will total $23.97. Use a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Olay body wash and a 5 off 20 cleansing CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $10 and you pay $13.97, get $4 back for the Olay deal and $2 back for the Caress deal. That will end up making them $7.97 or $2.66 each. The 3-pack Irish Spring Bar Soap is on the deal of buy 2 get 2 back and is priced at $4.49. Pick up 2 for a total of $8.98. Pay the $8.98 and you get 2 back, making it $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is spend 8 get 2 back on Sally Hansen Cosmetics or Beauty Tool. Pick up 1 Sally Hansen Insta Dry priced at $7.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 8. Pay the $7.99 and you get 2 back, making it $5.99. Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2 and use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $5, get 3 back, making them $2 or $1 each. L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners are on sale for $5.49 each and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.98. Pay the $10.98 and you get 5 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on Tresemme hair care. Pick up 2 Tresemme mousse priced at $8.49 each. The 2 will total $16.98. Use the 4 off 2 Tresemme digital coupon and you pay $12.98, get 4 back, making them $8.98 or $4.49 each. Garnier Whole Blend shampoos and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $10 and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2 and use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You will pay $7, get 3 back, making them $4 or $2 each. Suave shampoos and conditioners are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are part of buy 2 get 2 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are priced at $3.49 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.75. These two will total $5.24. Pay the $5.24 and you get 2 back, making them $3.24, $1.62 each. Check Ibotta if the offer is still available. is giving back $1.25 on each. Submit your receipts and you get back $2.50, making them 74 cents for both or 37 cents each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on Dove hair care. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.99 each. The two will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 5 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. Gillette Satin Care is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and is part of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2, they are priced at $5.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.65. These two will total $7.94. Pay the $7.94 and you get 4 back, making them $3.94, $1.97 each. My next deal is on the Gold Bond powder. They're on the deal of buy 1 get 2 back. Pick up 1 10-ounce Gold Bond powder priced at $10.49. Pay the $10.49 and you get 2 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making it $6.99. Jolene Cream Bleach is priced at $7.99 and it's part of buy 1 get 5 back. Pick up 1, pay $7.99 and get 5 back, making it $2.99. Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and is part of buy 2 get 3 back. They are priced at $4.19. Pick up 2, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.10. These two will total $6.29. Pay the $6.29 and you get 3 back, making them $3.29 or $1.65 each. The next deal I have is the Spend 20 get 4 back. This deal is a limit of 1 per account per week, and I have 2 options in this video. Pick whichever one that works for you. The first option is to pick up 2 Downy Unstoppables on sale for $6.99 each and 1 Downy fabric softener on sale for $6.99. These 3 items will total $20.97. Use a $3.50 off Downy digital coupon for the one of the Unstoppables, and for the second one, use a $2.50 off Downy coupon from Coupon24 app, and 1 off Downy digital coupon for the fabric softener. These 3 coupons will take off $7 and you pay $13.97, get 4 back, making them $9.97 or $3.32 each. The second option is to pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $14.99 and 1 small Tide detergent on sale for $6.99. These 2 items will total $21.98. Use a $3 off digital coupon for the big Tide and a $1 off digital coupon for the small Tide. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $17.98, get 4 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. The next 2 items I picked up is the Gain dryer sheet and the Gain fabric softener. They are on sale for 2 for $15, no extra care box back. Go on Coupon24 app and use a $2 coupon for the dryer sheet and another $2 coupon for the fabric softener. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $11, making each one just $5.50. Ajax Dish Liquid is on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off and is part of buy 2 get 2 back. Pick up 2 and it's priced at $3.79. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.90. These 2 will total $5.69. We have a $1 off digital coupon that you will use. Pay $4.69 and you get 2 back, making them $2.69 or $1.35 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.